In the greatest musical of all time, Singing in the Rain, is the greatest song and dance scene of all time, Singing in the Rain, performed by Gene Kelly. In retrospect, Singing in the Rain is almost unanimously considered the greatest musical of all time, starring Gene Kelly, Donald O'Connor, and Debbie Reynolds, though the Oscars took little notice that year. Gene Kelly is arguably the greatest dancer in movie history, with the other half of the argument being Fred Astaire. He brought a new, more athletic, if not as graceful, and very imaginative approach to dances in movies. Critics always disagree, including this critic, which is what makes the almost unanimous agreement that Singin' in the Rain is the finest dance scene ever so unusual. It is not that the moves are so amazing. It is its perfect portrayal of joy. For what is dance, if not portraying emotions? The girl he loves has just kissed him for the first time, and he does not care if it is dark and rainy. He has never seen a more beautiful day.
Good night, Kathy. See you tomorrow.
Good night, darling. Take care of that throat. You're a big singing star now, remember? This California dew is just a little heavier than usual tonight.
Really? From where I stand, the sun is shining all over the place.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds, the sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain. I'm happy again. Dancing and singing in the rain.
Gene was a terrible taskmaster, something he later apologized about. In this scene, at least he showed he held himself to the same brutal standards. They attempted to shoot this scene the previous day, but the water pressure was too low. I assume Gene got soaked in the attempt like he does here. The next day, this shoot, Gene had a 103-degree fever, but the show had to go on. Here is a surprising bit of trivia. Only 2 songs, Make 'Em Laugh and Moses Opposes, were entirely new for this movie. They always reused songs back then. This was the 7th time Singing in the Rain appeared in a movie, so the audience was actually very familiar with the song by 1952. It was introduced in the Hollywood Review of 1929. In 1932, it appeared briefly in 2 movies, Speak Easily and The Old Dark House. A clip from the Hollywood Review of 1929 appeared in 1939's Babe in Arms. Judy Garland sang a version in 1940's Little Nellie Kelly. Just 4 years before Singing in the Rain, it was featured as an elaborate musical sequence in 1948's The Babe Ruth Story. More videos added all the time. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.